C. Buyargas, a student with high honors, for the words of thanks.
To our honored guest, my auntie, Attorney Grace Buyargas, our school's division superintendent, Dr. Virgilio P. Batan Jr., Sir, our district supervisor, Dr. Rosana A. Huton, our school principal, Sir Ariel Geraldo, dear teachers, families and friends, my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon. I feel honored to stand here and share this important moment with all of you who have helped us reach this milestone. On behalf of this graduating class, I want to thank our amazing teachers. You have been more than just educators. You have been our mentors and our friends. Thank you for your patience when we didn't understand, for your encouragement when we felt unsure, and for your dedication in nurturing our growth. Thank you so much, dear teachers, from the bottom of our hearts. To our parents and families, thank you for your unwavering love and support, your sacrifices, and for being our greatest source of inspiration. You are our constant cheerleaders, always there to lift us up when we were tired or discouraged. Thank you for everything you do to make it possible for us to be here today, ready to take the next step in our journey. We owe you so much. On a personal note, I would like to give a special mention to my dear Lolo Manuel, who is the reason I was motivated to be competitive and aim to be at the top of this class. Lord, here I am, fulfilling what you have always told me, to be the number one. This achievement is also yours, and I am sharing this pride with you. I would also like to acknowledge my family from Cebu and Ormoc for coming to my graduation. Thank you, I appreciate it so much. To my friends and classmates, we have shared challenges, successes, and countless memories, from laughter-filled recess breaks to group projects and performance tasks that I will forever cherish. I value them all, especially your friendship. I am excited to see what our future holds for each of us, and I hope we will continue to support each other no matter where life takes us. But for now, since we will go our separate ways in junior high, this day to you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, because it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay, with you. My friends, with you. Sound familiar, right? Looking forward, we are now one step closer to our future. Today marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. As we move up today, I feel a mix of emotions. There is joy, excitement, and a little bit nervous. I don't know where life will take us, whether we become teachers, artists, doctors, scientists, or pursue other paths. But with people sped, I am confident that we will be among the best. Some of us might become future leaders in this province. The best doctors, outstanding teachers for the next generations. With that, I would like to thank People's Special Education Center for the strong foundation you have built for us, which will help make our dreams come true. In closing, I would like to share to everyone a simple reminder I saw online. It's about the 3 rules of life. Rule number 1. don't go after what you want, you will never have it. Rule number 2. If you do not ask, the answer will always be. Number 3. If you do not step forward, you will remain in the same place. To my fellow graduates, as I stand before you today, I want to remind each of you to keep pursuing dreams with unwavering determination. The journey ahead may be challenging at times, but remember that perseverance and resilience are the key. Let's step forward with confidence, knowing that our dedication and hard work will lead us to success. Because you have the power to change your story. Congratulations to us, graduates. Let's celebrate our achievements and look forward to exciting adventures that lie ahead. Thank you, and may God bless us all.